Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna review Khaled Hosseini's most loved and famous novel, A Thousand Splendid Suns. I know this book is very famous among all the readers. Still, I will be giving my opinion about this novel in this video, so keep watching. Basically, this novel is just like that. By the end, you are not only left with tear, but with a fire lit within. The story of the novel is about two girls, Mariam and Lala, who had together by marrying the same person named Rashid. This novel explores the strong relationship between Lala and Mariam, and it also portrays the Soviet-Afghan war and how the Taliban took over Afghanistan and how they ruled Afghan citizens, especially women, with strong rules and regulations. Actually, this novel depicts the 30 years history of Afghanistan, and you will be crying after finishing this novel. This is so heart-touching novel I have ever read. This is gonna make you emotionally destroyed. This is one of my top favorite novels and I will rate it 5 out of 5. If you are looking for it, I will just say to you that go for it without any further thinking. And do also read The Kite Runner by the same author, Khaled Hosseini. This is one of his best novels ever. Okay, so if you like the video, subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.